Hello, our dearest viewers. You're welcome back to Zoho School of Marketing, where we simplify marketing for absolute beginners, those who are interested in learning digital marketing as a skill, and those marketing professionals who want to up their game and upskill, and finally, business owners and entrepreneurs who want to maximize their profits and grow their business revenue. If you're coming across our channel for the first time, you are very welcome. This is a good time to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell to ensure you do not miss out on any of the amazing goodies we have in store for you. The topic of today's lesson is CRM 101, building stronger customer relationships. Now, one of the most important tools for managing your business when it comes to your marketing and sales and consolidating all of your efforts is your customer relationship management tool. It's called CRM for short. Now, I'll show you how CRM can help you build stronger relationships with your customers, increase sales, and improve your overall business operations in the next couple of minutes. First of all, what is a CRM? A CRM is simply a software tool that helps businesses manage interactions with current and potential customers. Now, it's essentially a centralized place to track leads, sales activities, and customer data. Now, with a CRM, you can organize your sales pipeline, you can track communications, and you can ensure that no leads or no opportunities fall through the cracks. Now, why does every business need a CRM? Now, for small business owners, you might be feeling like I am still small or I'm just still learning marketing. Why do I need to pay attention to the CRM tools? Now, a CRM is very crucial for keeping your customer relationships organized and scalable. It helps you track and manage all your customer interactions, whether they come from email, from your phone, or from in-person meetings. One of the challenges businesses have is to create systems and put these systems and structures in place such that when they grow beyond just the entrepreneur and probably the founding team, the initial team, they would not struggle with their processes. Now, it's important you understand how this works before your business even starts to grow and you get overwhelmed with others, so that you don't find yourself running from pillar to post at the end of the day, trying at the dying minute to implement this tool. Now, what does it help you do as well? It helps you get a clear view of your sales pipeline and where each lead is in the buying process. So we talk about sales funnel, marketing funnel, sales funnel, the buyer's journey. It's hard to manually track all of that when you're serving hundreds or even thousands of leads or prospective customers. But with your CRM tool, you can organize and track all of that seamlessly. It also helps you segment your customers for more targeted marketing campaigns. Again, when you try to do all of this manually, you might get overwhelmed and stressed. But a CRM tool will help you do all of this very seamlessly. Now, it also helps you automate follow-ups, reminders, and sales tasks, saving you time and effort. And finally, it gives you detailed reports on your sales performance and consumer behavior. Now, there are popular CRM tools available for various sizes of businesses, small or large businesses. And it's important to find the one that perfectly suits your business size and needs. Now, some popular CRM tools for small businesses include, we have your HubSpot, they give you free CRM, you don't have to pay for it. And then you have Zoho CRM, and then you have Salesforce Essentials, and then we have Monday CRM, and we have Pipedrive CRM. All of these platforms offer features that can help streamline your sales and marketing efforts. So explore them and see which of it fits your workflow. Remember, Rome was not built in a day. You are not mandated to understand this overnight. Take your time, go on those platforms, sign in, explore the dashboard, explore the options, explore the analytics, the back end, and then, of course, learn from it. Learn from everything you do on the app, and in no time, you actually find yourself becoming a pro at using CRM tools. Now, a CRM tool would help you better manage your customer relationships and increase your sales. In our next video, we will be teaching you how to measure your marketing efforts using analytics. I can't wait for that class, and I know you can't wait too. So if you got value from today's lesson, and of course you've learned something, this is a good time to hit the like button if you have not, hit the subscribe button if you have not, And of course, share this video to friends and family who can also benefit from it. And then finally, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the amazing stuff we have in store for you. And then before you go, drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you learned. Let us know the questions you have. Let us know any gray areas you have, and then we'll be glad to clarify those gray areas for you. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next class, and hopefully you implement some of the things you have learned and you share with us some of the things you have realized or the feedback you have gotten from implementing these new insights and knowledge into your marketing process. Do take care of you.